show people the problems so that when they want to fix it themselves, they'll know what to do.
Yeah, I wouldn't even try. I wouldn't even try.
Some people do try. Okay. So we know it glows, but it doesn't pull enough power. And that's normal, it wears out. I know. I'll be like, what happened to them? The result. Baking. Start. See how it glows right away now?
Yeah.
Doesn't take as long as it did before.
What was really funny was I used it a couple of weeks ago, okay? It went on, and by the way, it jumped to the temperature.
Yeah.
But last time, and the time before that, it took 10 minutes before it moved from 100.
Right. Well,
So you're happy, you're satisfied.
we're gonna make sure everything working the way it's supposed to. Better move away from the flame or I'll be a roasted turkey.
Yeah, went off already, yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I wasn't too far from you.
Do you have a card?
I got a lot of them.
All right, give me one. I'll put it in the clubhouse. If somebody has a problem.
What we needed to replace was the actual igniter, which it did turn on from the very beginning. But here's the problem with igniters. If they're not pulling enough power, the gas valve itself will not open. And that was exactly the problem. So I replaced it. Now, once I replaced it, we noticed another issue, which comes from the temperature sensor, which is back here. And you actually unplug it from this area, take out the screws on the side, pull it out, replace it, and you're good to go. That'll take care of the problem. And in this case, it wasn't keeping the temperature. He would tell you that it's 350 degrees. You would open the oven and notice there wasn't any heat inside. So that was the issue with this stove here. So if you have a similar problem, now you know what to do. Go straight to replacing that temperature sensor and the igniter, and problem solved.